Classic photography marketing techniques. Create a referral program. Word-of-mouth marketing is one of the best marketing approaches. Encourage your clients to share your work with their friends and family. You can offer a discount gift card or a bonus like free prints, for example, for clients who come to you through referrals and for their friends who have recommended you. Put a QR code on all your marketing material. One thing you can do is make it easy for people to see your portfolio online. Give them a QR code they can scan. Direct them to your portfolio page where they can see your stunning imagery. Document a local event. Your first clients are most likely to come from your area, so this is where you start establishing connections. While you're documenting the event, make time for conversations with the attendees and to have your business cards ready to hand out. Finally, once the images are nicely edited, send them to the organizer and share them on your social media. This is a good way to introduce your business to people in the area. Shoot for a local charity. Local charities often welcome anyone who wants to help, and this is your opportunity to give support while also building networks with your local community. Shoot for free and engage in conversation with the organizers and the participants. When you send the photos to the organizers, include your social media handles so they can tag you when they post it online.